Hi friends, today we are going to see exercise 1.1 question number 1. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of first subdivision 135 and 225. In this question, we will be applying Euclid's division lemma repeatedly till we get remainder as 0. Here, according to Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. So first let us write what is A and what is B. We know that A is greater than B. So, in these numbers, A is equal to 225 and B is equal to 135. So, let us divide that. 135, 225. Here, 135 into 2. It is greater than 225. So into 1, 0, 90. So I'm just substituting these values in this equation. 225 is equal to 135 into 1, remainder is 90. Here the remainder is not equal to 0. So we have to apply this Euclid's division lemma again since we get the remainder as 0. So this 135 becomes the dividend. Now we have to divide this 135 by the remainder 90. So 90 into 2, that becomes 180. So into 1. 45. Here 90 to 1 plus the remainder is 45. So since the remainder is not equal to 0, we will be again applying the Euclid's division lemma. Now this 90 becomes the dividend. Now we will be dividing 90 by the remainder 45. So 45 2s are 90. So 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. Now see here, we got the remainder as 0. So now we can stop this division. Therefore, the divisor becomes the HCF. So the HCF of 135 and 225 is, the divisor is 45. Here the second subdivision 196 and 38,220. So the relation is A is equal to BQ plus R. We know that A is greater than B. So A is equal to 38220 and B is equal to 196. So first let us divide this. Mm-hmm. 196 into 10 becomes 1960. So 9 are. So 196 into 9. 4. So it is less than this. So 1764. So 196 6 36 67. It is greater than this, so 5s are 196 into 5, 8, that is 980. Let us substitute this in the equation. So A is 38220, and here the divisor is 196. So 196 into quotient 195, and the remainder is 0. So here in the very first division we get the remainder as 0. So the divisor becomes the HCF. Therefore the HCF of 196 and 320 is 196. Third subdivision, 867 and 255. So we know that A is greater than B. Here A is equal to 867 and B is equal to 255. So first let us divide that. It's 67. So 4 so 20. By 255 into 4 is 1020. It is greater than this. So let us try by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 6. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So it is less than this. 255 into 3 is 765. 2, 0 and 1. Now let us write the equation. Here A is 867 is equal to 255 into 3. The remainder is 102. Since the remainder is not equal to 0, we have to again apply this Euclid's division lemma. So here the 255, which is the divisor, becomes the dividend. 255. So now we have to divide that by the remainder 102. 102 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 0. 2. 204. 102 into 3. So here we can apply 2, which is 204. The remainder 1, 5. It is 51. So write this. 255 is equal to 102 into 2. The remainder is 51. Since the remainder is not equal to 0, we will be applying again the division lemma. So here this 102 becomes the dividend. So 51 into 2 is 102. So now write the equation. 51 into 2 plus 0. Here we got the remainder as 0. So we can now stop the division. Therefore, the HCF of 867 and 255 is here the divisor 51. That becomes the HCF. If you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment box. Thanks for watching.